I am 100% sure all of you must have interacted with any of the other chatbot. You go to any website today and everywhere you will find these chatbots. These chatbots, they are doing a phenomenal job in addressing the customer queries in the real time. Whenever a customer is facing any problem, any issue, any challenge with the product or services, they can interact with the chatbot, and majority of the answers are being delivered by chatbots. So in today's session, we are going to learn about how to develop a chatbot without using any coding language. Although there are various types of platforms available for creating the chatbots, when you go to Google and you can search for chatbot development or free chatbots or chatbot for websites, you will find a lot of options over there. I'm going to use one such platform called Wotnot.io, Wotnot.io. This is how the platforms look like basically. So you can see these are the websites which are using this platform, and they have developed a chatbot using this platform. You can convert website traffic into qualified leads. You can smartly answer FAQ. You can get your calendar booked with an assistant, and you can see they have already incorporated ChatGPT in their chatbots. So it is an AI enabled chatbot. Take over conversation from chatbot whenever needed. So when you have human agent available, they can intervene and they can take up the conversation. Proactively engage user on SMS and WhatsApp. From this platform itself, you can directly send them the SMS and WhatsApp. Now it will ask you for your which method you want to use for sign in. Now this is the dashboard of this particular platform. So once you have built a chatbot using this platform and integrated with your website, from this dashboard you can analyze the chatbot's performance. You can see how much business value has been generated by the chatbot, how many number of hours it has saved for your business, how much costing it has saved for you. You can collect feedback and survey from the customer. So it will give a CSAT score, which tells you how many customers are satisfied with your chatbot. What is the average conversation duration when somebody is interacting with your chatbot? How much time they are spending with the chatbot? What is the engagement percentage? What is the conversion percentage? And what is the abandonment percentage? How many people are leaving your chatbot in the middle of the interaction? You will find all the conversation data over here. So you can open any of the conversation and you can see what people were talking, what people were asking from the chatbot, what kind of responses your chatbot has given, and then why people has left your chatbot, why they felt irritated, frustrated, and those are the kind of feedback for you which you can incorporate in your chatbot to make it better. You will find all the contact detail over here of the people who have interacted with your chatbot. You can find the data with regards to different countries, conversations, and contacts. You will find the data with regard to visitor on the chatbot. Now you will get the engagement calendar that if I look at the day of the week, whether the engagement is on Monday highest, whether it is highest on Saturday or Sunday or any other day of the week. Also, you can even look at the time of the day also. That okay, I can find out that Wednesday and Thursday, they are the heavy days wherein I am getting maximum chat interaction, but at what time? So that time you will be able to see that. Then these are the different KPI metrics. You can download this in the form of a report also for your detailed analysis. You can do a live chat if you are, if you have hired human customer support agent, so they can see any chat which is going on with the chatbot over here, and in between, if they find that customer query is very, very complex and chatbot is unable to answer it and customer is getting irritated, so in between these human agent can intervene and they can participate with the customer. Here you will find the repository. So knowledge base is available wherein you can create your knowledge base like FAQ or maybe any other kind of documents, and those documents you can provide to your customer if they are looking for any answers. You can generate some kind of custom answers, answers which are pre-fed. So if you find that there is a question which is being asked by majority of the customers, so you can develop predefined answers for them and you can incorporate it over here. You will find all the contact data over here, people who have interacted with your chatbot, and if you are collecting their name, email ID, mobile number, country they belong to, and so on and so forth. You can configure your chatbot. You can see you can work on the design of the chatbot. You can upload your logo. You can name your chatbot. Right now you can see untitled bot is the name. So if I want to give this a name called Smarty bot. So this is how it will appear, and then you can upload your logo, your other images, or you can enter the hint text. Hint text means this hint text will give a hint to the chatbot that the customer is now wants to interact with the human agent. They don't want to interact with the chatbot. So that I can enter over here human or human agent. The moment a customer write human agent in the chatbot will give a signal to the human agent and they will take over and they will start interacting with the customer. You want to change the color of the chatbot. So there are various color options as per your brand theme. You can choose them. You can choose the font color also from here, and likewise. Under the general setting, you can set the typing speed. You can remove the powered by branding. For this is available only in the paid plan. You can show the list of historical chat if you want to see. Play a sound when a message is sent or received. Stop bouncing animation of chat widget. All this can be done. You can see collect CSAT survey when the chat ends. So if you want to collect the feedback from the customer, so you can enable it. So question will be overall, how would you rate your chat experience? If you want to change this, that can be done. All kind of pop-up messages can be added over here. You can add the trigger condition that when do you want this bot to be opened on your website. So you can see time delay after 10 seconds. When somebody is on my website for 10 seconds, after 10 seconds, this chatbot will be opened. Or you can delay this time to another range also, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or likewise. Returning user configuration. A returning user is one who visits your website again and who you want to define as a returning visitor. So from here you can change the date range. If a customer comes to your website within 14 days, that will be considered as a returning visitor, or you can further change the setting from here. The other configuration, this is the code of the chatbot which you can integrate on your website for the integration. You can further integrate on your Facebook. You can connect to Facebook and all your Facebook Messenger communication will be taken care by this chatbot. You can connect it to WhatsApp, you can connect it to Instagram, and even you can connect it to the SMS facility. There are other apps available which are freely integrable with this chatbot. You can integrate Google Sheet. So whatever data you are collecting from the customers, so that will go to Google Sheet. And when you have different people working on the data, so they will be able to do that. You can connect it to Calendly for appointment scheduling. You can connect it to the CRM platform like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, Zapier, Freshdesk, so that the entire data will go to the CRM and then the offline team will take up the request. And then you can see there are various other type of apps available which can be integrated. Like you can integrate it with Google Analytics to understand the customer's interaction and other features. So these are the basic functionality of this platform, Wotnot.io. Now let's try to build a chatbot for ourselves. For this, click on this bot builder. Now over here, you will find this button called build a bot. So click on this. Now it will ask you, where do you want to deploy your bot? Is it on website? Is it for WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Facebook, and voice is going to be coming soon. So I'm creating it right now for the website. Now there are pre-created templates by this platform depending on the industry which you are dealing with. Like if you are into the real estate, so these are the pre-created templates which you can directly use and you can customize it as per your business. Lead generation for B2B, appointment booking, lead generation for brokers, lead generation for insurance policy, appointment booking for hospital, restaurant reservation if you want people the facility to reserve this table, normal general customer support, for the bank account opening chatbot, or e-commerce customer support. So let me show you a preview. So you click on the preview button and this is how this chatbot is going to work. Restaurant reservation. Hi there, welcome to Acme's Downtown Eatery, the authentic Indian cuisine. How can I help you today? And then these are the options. I want to make a reservation. I love spontaneous walk-in, but reservations are best. Answer a few quick questions. Now you start collecting the name. So I will enter my name. And then you can see this is the personalization. Now the chatbot is taking my name while interacting with me. Nice to meet you, Deepak. Lovely, and your phone number. So now you can see you can have this kind of a functionality also. If somebody is trying to do a spam by providing the wrong number, they will not be able to do. As you can see, there is a red mark over here. In India, it is known that there should be a 10 number in the mobile number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you can see the red mark has been removed. How many people should I book for? So 4. And then calendar will open. I want to book it for 25th. Submit. Do you have any special request? Maybe a sitting preference. So yes, outdoor. Thanks. I just booked your table. One of my non-bot friends will give you a call 2 hours prior to check in with you. And then you can start a new conversation, right? So this is a preview. If you find that this is good enough for your business, that is what you're looking for. So you can save your time. Instead of building it from scratch, you can directly pick this up, click on use template and then customize it as per your restaurant theme or whatever you want to do it. Otherwise, if you want to build it from scratch, so click on this. Now, bot is triggered if. So if you click on this, trigger bot when conditions are met. If you want to put some conditions, so you can do that you are selecting a URL or you are selecting a date range or you are selecting a browser language. So when you select URL and you provide the link, that means when somebody goes to that particular page of your website, the chatbot will automatically open. If you look at browser language, somebody change their browser language to Hindi, then my bot will open up, and likewise. So these are the conditions which you can choose. Click on this plus button. Now, once the chatbot is triggered, what do you want to do? So I want to send a message. And what will be the message? When somebody is coming to the website, I want to welcome them. Welcome. How may I help you today? That's it. And click on plus button. Then what will happen? Customer will give a query. Customer will answer something. Then I want to, once after customer has submitted their name or maybe any other thing. So I want to again send another message. Can I have your name? Or we can write in a very creative manner. What do you want me to call you? That means I am collecting the input from the customer. So this is the input. So in this I have to select on the collect input. So collect input. What do you want me to call you? And then what is the input you are collecting? So save response as contact created by email, name, phone, and likewise. So right now I'm collecting the name. So click on name and that's it. Then again click on plus button. Now once somebody has mentioned their name, I want to send them another message. And then hello. And when you click on this attachment button, you want to personalize it. Hello, hashtag name. Hello, name. So whatever name customer has provided over here, you are personalizing it. Hello, their name will come. Which course you are looking for? For example, I am developing this chatbot for a university, right? So a student has come, I have sent a message, hello, welcome, how may I help you today? And then I am sending another message, what do you want me to call you? I collected the name and then I am telling them, hello, which course you are looking for, right? Then click on plus button. Or what I can do is, instead of asking this, I can give them the option because I am creating it for the university. So I can click on the button option and then what I can do, hello, hashtag name, which course are you looking for? Then my button 1 will be undergraduate, and button 2 will be postgraduate. Now, if somebody click on undergraduate, so click on this button, what do you want to do? I want to give them another option. If somebody click on undergraduate, then fantastic. Let me help you choose the best course for you. And then you can provide all the options. BBA, BA, BCA, BSc. Then for the postgraduate, similar thing, buttons, great. Let me help you choose the best course for you. And then again those options, MBA, MA, MCA, MSc. Now if I go to the BBA program, so BBA is normal BBA, or if you are providing some specialization, so click on the plus button and again you can provide the buttons option. So under BBA, so we have different specializations to offer. Choose the most suitable one. And then here, general BBA, digital marketing BBA, or BBA in business analytics. For MBA you can provide, for MA you can provide, MCA you can provide, MSc you can provide. Let's say somebody click on general BBA, then what do you want to do? So over here I want to all these options are available. Talk to human, Salesforce, slider option, collect a file, form, Airtable. You can create a form, ask the student to fill the form for the admission, Google Sheet, Google Calendar, Calendly, and so on and so forth. So once somebody is saying that I'm interested in BBA General, so I want to collect input here, and I want to say what's your mobile number where my human friend can call you to assist further. And I'm collecting the mobile number over here, so I can choose phone, and that's it. And after this, once this journey is completed, then again I want to send a message. Thank you. And again I'm addressing with the name. Thank you for providing me the mobile number. You may expect a call soon. That's it, right? So now this is how we have created our chatbot. So this bot is triggered. You are sending a message, welcome, how may I help you today? Then I'm collecting the input. What do you want me to call you? Hello, then name comes, which course are you looking for, undergraduate or postgraduate? Then we have different offering, BBA, MBA, and so on and so forth. Under that we have further option. So far, let's see how this chatbot is going to look like. So for this, click on the test bot button. Another window will open like this. It will give you a preview of your chatbot which you have created. Like this. Welcome, how may I help you today? What do you want me to call you? Deepak. Hello Deepak, which course are you looking for? I'm looking for undergraduate course. Fantastic. Let me help you choose the best course for you. Are you looking for BBA, BA, BC or BSc? I'm looking for BBA. We have different specializations to offer. Choose the most suitable one. So I'm looking for general. What's your mobile number? And again, you can see if I enter wrong number, it will not allow me to continue. Thank you Deepak for providing me the mobile number. You may expect a call soon. Simple, right? So that's how easily you can help a customer identify what they're looking for. Even with this, when they have selected the undergraduate, at this stage, you can send them the brochure also. You can attach some documents. They will be able to download the brochure and they can, take the wiser decision. Otherwise, you can provide more options. Now, if I show you the other options, wherein I have not completed the flow, so there you will find an error. So postgraduate, now you can see there will be an error after this, MBA, and that's it. Because I have not completed the flow over here. Till here, my flow is there. So that's how, this is just a demonstration guys. And I request all of you to please go to this platform, wotnot.io. It is absolutely free. Please practice on this platform and try to create a chatbot for a fully functional business. You can take any imaginative business also. You can pick up any hospital, any educational institution, any restaurant, any hotel, and try to create a fully functional chat interaction which makes sense, which you find sensible to interact with, and keep on running this test bot, and then you will be able to learn how these bots are created. Now once the bot is created, then you can just click on the deploy button. Deploy button basically give you this kind of a script which you can paste it on your website, and your chatbot will be integrated to your website. Next time when somebody comes to your website, this chatbot will open, and whatever interaction we are doing with the chatbot, so that will be collected in the dashboard. So we can come to the dashboard and we can look at the chatbot's performance. We can read this kind of a conversation which customer is having, and on the basis of that feedback, we can keep on improving and optimizing the chatbot which we have developed. So guys, you have seen how fantastic and you can say funny this kind of experience is. It gives you a lot of fun. So my humble request is, go to this website, absolutely free. You're not paying anything. It's all your playground. Just play around, try different options. There are already pre-created templates. Use those templates. Look at them, how they have been created. What kind of flow they have created. Learn from those templates and then try to create a template for yourself. And that will give a very good understanding, knowledge, and confidence to you, so that while next time you are sitting in an interview, you can highlight this. You can highlight this on your resume also, that you know how to develop a no-code chatbot for the website. That is it in this session. Thank you so much.